My name's Nora. Welcome to Fall in the Field 2020. Our theme is Nature's Tales, Stories of Change and Resilience. This is the water quality lesson. Today we are going to be scientists and test the water here at Hyatt Lake by testing for nitrates and chlorides. There will be a variety of videos and questions for you to answer. But first, take some time to go back and watch the drone footage of Hyatt Lake and make some observations. An observation is something that you notice with your senses. For example, I see birds swimming in the lake. Look, I see a white pelican soaring in front of Mount McLaughlin. So take some time and make those observations.